Mark is going to use the flaring tool in order to create the correct flare for a brake line. A brake line gets a double flare, so it's a little different process here to do a brake line than other things. So we have the flaring kit here. Mark's chosen the right size dies for it. He puts it in there with the right tools there for the right length and the right diameter for what he's doing. Then tightens down the brake line. So now he's chosen one that'll fit in the end of the line and create the correct first flare. He needs to flare it out and then bend the end over, so this is the first die that flares it out. So the first one goes in there a little bit tight.
Mushrooms it.
And then with the hydraulic press there, he just mushrooms it the last little bit. And then the second step.
Drive it home.
And now, with any luck, it produced the right end on the brake line, no galling. It didn't split. You always want to inspect them really carefully and make sure it hasn't galled or split. And
you want to put the nut on first.
Yeah, yeah. Think ahead. Make sure you got the retention nut on first. You don't want to flare it and then try to cram it on there.